Hello there, welcome back. You know, if you're looking for more Pinterest pin designs to get inspiration for your business, then you can head over to Pinterest.com. And then you can see the different pin designs there. Look around and see what your competitors are doing. Most of these pins here are made by Canva that has a drag and drop feature to create beautiful pins. So when you're doing your research, you don't need to copy these pins exactly how they are, but instead you can copy the style. Maybe check out the color combinations. Just browse around here and you can see Pinterest has many designs. You will not be lacking in ideas here. Next, let's go back to Canva and I will show you how to magically resize designs. But this feature is available only for Canva for Work, which is the paid version of Canva. If you decide to upgrade from free account, it will cost you around $12 per month. Okay, but if you choose to pay annually, it's only $9, so you save money there as you get a lower fee. When it comes to Canva for Work, you can save your brand colors and magically resize your designs. You can also organize your images into folders, upload your own fonts, and use transparent backgrounds. Remember, with the logo, we need transparent backgrounds. For that, we need to use Canva for Work. No matter what work means to you, Canva for Work has all the tools you need to design your graphics for projects big and small. No design skills necessary. So now, let's go back to Canva. And here you can see the Pinterest graphic again, with the size of 735 pixels to 1102 pixels. But, as you might remember, the recommended size is 441 to 1199 pixels. So, what you need to do is to resize this. Okay? Just click Pinterest graphic, and we can resize this in two ways. First, you can just click resize here, and then there are the different templates. So you can resize Pinterest graphic to a logo size, social graphic size, etc. As you will find different templates here, and each has its own sizes. For demonstration purposes, let's just click logo and then click resize. You can see this is what it looks like if you resize it this way. So let's do that again. Choose a template, for example this one, and then click resize. Let's say enter a Twitter post, for example, or perhaps a Facebook post. So what you do is you just click on Facebook post and then click resize. Excuse me here for a while, I need to disable the pop-up blocker. You also need to make sure you click here to always allow pop-ups from canva.com. Okay, done. Now let's just click again, resize, and choose the Facebook post size. Now, as you can see, we have a size of a Facebook post, and you need to adjust it. By that, I mean you just need to fix the proportions, as when resizing, it will not magically fix everything. The second way to resize is that we can do this using custom dimensions. So let's say Facebook cover is 1080 pixels to 1080 pixels. So you can resize that using custom dimension. Just click File and then choose Change Dimensions. And then click here. You need to copy the dimensions, which is 441 to 1199 pixels, and type that in. Then click on Resize. But again, even here, you still need to adjust the design and fix the proportions. Fix the sizes, but that is how you do the magic of resize with custom dimensions. So again, this feature is available only for Canva for Work, and you need to upgrade to a paid version to use resize feature. However, if you're using free Canva, then this is not available for you. So if you're using a free version and reluctant to upgrade, you can always opt for their free trial and see if you like it. See you in the next video.